Have you ever wondered where the unique, minimalist, yet functional style of Danish architecture originated from? Let's journey back to the Middle Ages, the cradle of Danish architectural heritage. The early Danish skyline was punctuated by the strong, sturdy structures of the Romanesque style, characterized by rounded arches and massive walls. As time moved on, the Gothic style made its mark, introducing pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and flying buttresses into the architectural lexicon. These styles, while distinct, shared a common thread, a commitment to functionality. They were not just about aesthetics, but about creating structures that served a purpose, that were built to last. This emphasis on functionality, coupled with simplicity, became the cornerstone of Danish architecture. The Danish people took these early influences, honed them, and made them their own, creating a unique architectural language that is recognized and admired worldwide today. Thus, the seeds of Danish architectural style were sown with a strong focus on practicality and simplicity, ready to evolve with the coming centuries. As time marched on, so did the evolution of Danish architecture. The Renaissance period, a time of rebirth and revival of classical learning, was a significant era in shaping Danish architecture. The influence of this period is witnessed in the architectural designs of the time, which were characterized by symmetry, proportion, and a keen eye for detail. A prime example is the Rosenborg Castle, an epitome of Renaissance architecture, designed by one of the leading architects of the time, Hans van Steenwinckel the Elder. As we moved into the Baroque period, Danish architecture took a dramatic and grandiose turn. The focus shifted to the awe-inspiring, with grand staircases, large courtyards, and intricate detailing becoming the norm. Architect Lambert van Haven, known for his work on Our Saviour's Church in Copenhagen, was a key figure in this period. His designs are a testament to the opulence and grandeur of the Baroque era. The Rococo period brought a softer, more romantic touch to Danish architecture. This period was marked by lightness, elegance, and an exuberant use of curving natural forms in ornamentation. Court architect Nicolai Eitved played a significant role during this period, with his masterpiece, the Amalienborg Palace, showcasing the true essence of Rococo design. However, as the 19th century approached, Danish architecture began to shift towards simplicity and functionality. The focus was on clean, simple lines and practical, functional design. This was a move away from the ornate and elaborate designs of previous eras. It was during this time that Danish modernism was born, a style that would come to define Danish architecture. Key architects such as Vilhelm Lauritzen and Arne Jacobsen were instrumental in shaping this new direction. Their works, like the Radiohuset building and the SAS Royal Hotel respectively, are iconic examples of Danish modernism, combining form, function, and a minimalist aesthetic. The 19th century marked a turning point in Danish architecture, paving the way for the minimalist, functional style we see today. The 20th century brought a new wave of innovation to Danish architecture. The rise of Danish modernism marked a significant shift, one that would go on to influence the global architectural landscape. This era was defined by a commitment to simplicity, functionality, and a profound respect for materials. One of the most influential figures of this movement was Arne Jacobsen, whose work has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on Danish architecture. His designs, such as the iconic egg chair and the swan chair, are characterized by their elegant simplicity and functionality, hallmarks of Danish modernism. Another key figure of this era was Jørgen Utzon, the mastermind behind the Sydney Opera House. His designs, though grounded in Danish traditions, were revolutionary, transforming the way we think about architecture and space. But Danish modernism was not just about aesthetics. It was also about a deep-rooted commitment to sustainability. Bjarke Ingels, a contemporary Danish architect, has been at the forefront of this movement. His designs, such as the energy-efficient mountain dwellings in Copenhagen, embody the principles of sustainability, demonstrating that aesthetics and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Modern Danish architecture, with its blend of simplicity, functionality, and sustainability, continues to shape the architectural landscape, not just in Denmark, but around the world. So, what have we learned about Danish architecture? It began with the pragmatic, humble origins, blossomed into the dynamic shifts of historical movements, and continues to thrive in its modern principles. Iconic homes stand as testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the Danish architectural scene. The Danish design ethos of simplicity, functionality, and sustainability is not just a trend, but a way of life. influencing global architectural thought. As we can see, Danish architecture, with its unique blend of simplicity, functionality, and sustainability, has left an indelible mark on the world.